Hi there, it's Simon here. We are quickly going to learn Desiderium by Gabzito today, which is a fairly niche indie tune. You need a capo at the first fret. I'm in regular tuning. Just on and off the 10th and 12th frets there. And again, hitting the low strings there. And then same again. Okay, so that is a lot of the song. Then eventually the really big heavy chords come in. Now, I'm not 100% sure, there's a lot of distortion stuff going on here, but if you play 0, 8, 10, 9 with loads of overdrive on, and then 0, 8, 10, 10, you'll have the right answer. It's basically E major 7 and A major 7 in that section. So, okay, all the time this continues very low underneath at the bottom of the track. Okay, then it comes out of there, there's some wonky guitar, and we just need to play basically what is a major triad there. Whether you want to call it E or F, I don't know, it depends on your capo vibe. Any kind of soloing or line, just play F major there, so that, right, that's kind of the thing. Okay, and then the other section, the chords are E flat, or D versus the capo, D minor, C major, and G. Now this is important, that G, because when it comes to, we'll talk about the lead guitar solo in a second, so. Bar of each. They're anticipated as well, so it means they come in before the 1. 3 and 4 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Now there's like a line. Kind of thing happening. So he uses a kind of interesting. As you get the last, so the kind of vibe, right? Kind of like almost like kind of exercise where you kind of that kind of vibe. I haven't worked it out completely, but you get the idea. And then he just goes back into either after the 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. The last time, 2, and then the comes back in. There you go. That's it. Oh, the sound, by the way, I just got the amp pushed a bit, and you know, you get the idea. You could get the same with a little overdrive pedal. Just turn the overdrive up a little bit, but turn the level up way up, and then you'll get that kind of crunchy sound. All right, thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Please subscribe. Bye for now.